Mr. PT Cruiser engine. Goodbye, 4-cylinder. Oh, they did want the core back, guys. I was gonna rip that sucker apart and make a video. The 4-cylinder engine is still out. Whoa, look at all the weight go drag. Oh, come on, man. I was gonna run and catch you, but it's not that. It's just I thought.
I'm not gonna never get that one. I thought you were talking about this door.
Another one? What other one? There's another one?
Yeah, there's
Try stopping 250
What other one? I did another one? At 3.6?
3.6 Charles.
Oh, this is the same people we got it from? Oh, they coming for that 3.6 too, guys. Oh no. I didn't have enough time to rip them engines apart. Dang. Let's go see. Oh, you talking about this 3.6? Oh yeah, we already ripped this one apart. Huh?
This one weighs even more
Wait a minute.
than the other one.
It may be even more.
It weighs even more.
Hold on.
I'm gonna slide it around, maybe. Oh, it's not there. Really? God made it, Nick. I told you not to pile the shit up here. Ow. Ever fucking listen to anything anybody says?
You need me to move this car?
Nah. I need to get this car on.
You're good. What about that transmission? Taking that transmission. What about all them stuff over there in the other garage? Any of them cores?
One of them, that transmission did for that warranty company, he threw it back up in the corner.
Why?
I mean, you tell him specifically, you know, not to do something. What does he do? He does it anyway.
Oh, now you're gonna come around.
Yeah, we'll approach it a little differently this time. Trust me, his buddy's gonna get a little bit on my head. He'll try to run me over.
That's the funniest shot I've seen in a long time. Oh, man. Hey, what y'all do with these engines, man? I mean, that's a lot of aluminum.
It depends on if we got it from somewhere else, we send it back to them.
You sign anything or you get together? I mean, appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Uh-oh, what that transmission doing?
He thinks I get it in the junk business.
I'm already in the junk business.
Stay there.
Goodies. Why the damn door won't open?
You get that on video?
Yeah, what?
What? What you been laughing about?
I was just laughing. Hey, what is this over here? Hey, Patrick! Huh? Hey, let me know, because I want it if it ain't. Oh, we replaced that?
No, he didn't do it.
I know, right. Nick's just so crazy.
Well, I think Patrick did that.
Why the ticket in there? I don't think he left
That's,
that.
I don't know.
Let me know if there's a call now. I need that. I'm going to put it on my PT Cruiser. All right, guys. That was a whole funny ordeal. Okay, what did they leave me? Oh, they just left me a measly 62 TE transmission. And what is this? Oh, this is my diff. This is the diff we put on that. Oh, guys, we can go through this. We can talk about PTUs and differentials. Why did I replace this? I can't remember why I replaced this. I remember this is the one me and my helper snatched out, and you know what's funny? It had electrical fault code. That's what's weird. Of course, there's an actuator right there that monitors internals or can tell what's going on inside, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna go through that. They don't want this or that. So it's nothing interesting out of a 62. But we're going to go through it anyway, guys. Okay, they left me some things we can talk about. So, and remember, we're going to do a valve job on this. This is CVT stuff I tore apart a while back. I ain't even had time to edit the video and upload it, guys. It's just not enough time in the day. But I tore CVT apart and I discussed it in length, in detail, what actually going on. Constant velocity, okay? Differential, clutches, and all that stuff. So we'll talk about that. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you won't miss any of this. I'm gonna be on a basic level, so I'll give you guys the warning. You experienced veterans, I may be talking extremely basic. Okay, I have been informed, or I have knowledge of a lot of the subscribers are aspiring mechanic. And depending on the topic, would dictate, you know, how I speak as far as being from a basic standpoint to a more advanced standpoint. But we'll see, guys. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned for the future videos. All right, I'll be right back.